These are the 1-inch universal golf cart wheel spacers. These wheel spacers are CNC machined from premium grade aluminum. They give your cart an extra 1 inch of clearance per wheel, giving you 2 total inches of extra clearance across your wheelbase. The installation process starts with sliding the spacers onto your cart's wheel hub. The wheel spacers come with all the hardware needed for installation. These wheel spacers are perfect for lifted carts because they lower your cart's center of gravity, providing improved stability. They also give you that extra clearance needed to make sure there's no rubbing of parts when turning your cart sharply. They are also great for non-lifted carts if you're looking for a wider, more aggressive stance for your golf cart. Get yours today at golfcarttiresupply.com.